Hello everyone, welcome to our first NECF Arts and Craft lesson. Today we will be making a bendable fish out of paper. The materials you will need are 1 piece of plain white paper, 2 pieces of paper of the same color, I'm using gray here, and another piece of paper of a different color. You will also be needing a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and a black marker. So I'm going to take one of the 2 pieces of paper that are the same color and I'm going to make a crease diagonally. Next, take your scissors and cut off the excess so that you're left with a square. Now your rectangular paper should now be a square. Next, what we're going to do is take one of the flaps and fold it in so that the edge aligns with the middle. We're going to do the same thing on the left side. Take the flap and fold it inwards so that the edge aligns with the middle crease. Now you should be left with a kite shape. Next, open up the piece of paper and fold it inwards on the middle crease. Take your scissors and we'll begin cutting the lines of the tail. Start by cutting on the small end. Make cuts with slight gaps in between them and make sure you're only cutting till the crease. Do not cut past. Make sure you leave some room and don't cut all the way across. This is because our fish's head does not have lines on it, so make sure you don't cut the fish's head. Next, open up the piece of paper and you're going to fold it across. Take your glue stick and glue one side of the flap onto the other. This will be the body of our fish. As you can see, the tail is bendable. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take our scissors and cut off the corner. Now the fish's head is round. We're going to take our other piece of paper of the same color and we're going to make the mouth. We're going to start by cutting a U shape. It should fit perfectly in the body of the fish. You can make adjustments as needed. Once the mouth of your fish can fit into the body, add some glue on the bottom and attach it into the body. Next, take your piece of paper of the other color. We're gonna make the fins and the tail out of this paper. Start by folding it in half. The tail is a heart shape, so we're gonna cut out half a heart along the crease. Make sure you don't cut on the open end. As you can see, when you open up the piece of paper, it should make a heart. This will be your fish's tail. Apply some glue on the crease and glue it onto the end of the body. Next, we're gonna make the fish's fins. This time, your heart should be a little wider and a little bigger than the tail. The fins are half a heart, so cut the heart in half. Next, we're gonna glue the fins onto the bottom of the body. Make sure the fins are aligned. Next, we're gonna make the fish's eyes. Start by folding your piece of white paper in half and cut out 2 circles. Because you folded your piece of paper in half, you should be left with 2 round circles. Next, take your black marker and draw 2 circles inside. These circles should be smaller than the white circle you cut out. Then fill in the circles. Now that your eyes are complete, glue them onto your fish's head. Put some glue on the underside of the eyes and then attach them onto the head. Now our fish is complete. Thank you for joining me in our first NECEF Arts and Craft lesson. Please be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel and check out our website to see if there's any classes you will be interested in.